Hi, boys and girls. Today's number is 10. Don't worry, we won't be going much higher than that. But that means today you need all your rods out, and you're going to build 2 staircases. So I'm putting mine very carefully in front of my computer. Let me show you. Now you can build one at a time, or you can build them both. All up to you. There's a lot on here today. So those are my ones. Red is 2. Light green is 3. Purple is 4. I think by now you guys know this, don't you? If you're finding, moms and dads, that your child cannot identify the color of the rods, work with them a little bit, okay? This is not a tool. The rods this is not a tool that is going to go away in first grade. The rods are part of the math program right through at least 5th grade. So when they go into first grade, it is really helpful if they already know the colors. And we've done this a lot. I think most of them do. If you find that your child does not because they've missed some morning meeting or they've missed things, please go over the colors with them. So there they all are. We've got our staircase with 10 and our staircase with 10. You guys are awesome with this. Now, we're going to build a 10 sentence. So I'm going to move this a little bit and just put down my 10 rod. Now, boys and girls, you can make your 10 combination any way you want to. I always like to start with 1. And what would go here? Now, are you ready? Can you say that sentence, that number equation? 1 plus 9 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 10 equals 1 plus 9. And 10 equals 9 plus 1. Now over here, let's lift this up. You see my number bond waiting. There it is. So if you were going to do 1 plus 9 equals 10. That's what we did with the rods, isn't it? How would it fit here? Oops, I'm sorry, you didn't see my writing, did you? Oh, there it is. Okay. How would that fit over here? The whole number is the 10. And what are the 2 parts? 1 and 9. Can you say the other equations? We have 1 plus 9 equals 10. Or 9 plus 1 equals 10. Or 10 equals 1 plus 9. Or 10 equals 9 plus 1. Don't worry if you don't write it as fast as I did. I've been writing numbers a long time. It's always okay to pause. Well, I think I'll leave the 10 in this time, because we know the next one's going to be 10. You know what? Let's turn it. Number bonds are cool because they work whichever way they go, but now my 10 does not look right. It's still going to be a 10 though, isn't it? What are the other numbers we could do? 10. Now we already did 1, so let's try 2 this time. 2 plus what equals 10? Well, if you're not sure, that's what the rods are for. I'm going to put my 1 and 9 over here. So we're trying 2 for this number bond. 2 plus what? Trying 7, but it doesn't seem to fit. Let's see. So how did that work? 2 plus 8 equals 10. Or 8 plus 2 equals 10. Or 10 equals 2 plus 8. Or 10 equals 8 plus 2. So back up here now, we've got the 2. What's the number that goes with it? 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10, or 8 plus 2 equals 10. Or 10 equals 2 plus 8, or 10 equals 8 plus 2. There's so many cool ways to do it. What if we already did 1 and 9, We did 2 and 8. Can you figure out what would go here? 3 plus what equals 10? We're going to figure out. The rods can help us. Some of you know it. I could almost hear you saying it. I know. All right, let's get that out of the way. Where's my 3? Oh, there he is. 3 plus 7. There you go. 3 plus 7 equals 10. There you go. There's our bond. I'm not going to write them all. You can if you'd like to. What if I spin it again? Got to fix my 10 because it's not a 10 that way. The 10 does stay in that box though, doesn't it? Now, we did 1 plus 9. We did 2 and 8. 3 and 7. Ooh, we could do 4. 4. Where's the purple? 4 and what? 4 and... Whoops. It's 10. So we misread. 4 and 6. There we go. 4 and 6 equal 10. So our number pairs, 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6. Are you saying them with me? Because I bet some of you know it. And what would go with 5? 5 and 5. That's right. We can fix that right now. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So cool. Well, I like to end all this practice with a sandwich. Here we go. I'm going to start with 0 plus 10. Now, boys and girls, I want you to notice the way I do it. The first one we come in with is 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 1, then comes 2. 2 plus 8 equals 10. So it's important to put them in this order. 1, 2, oh, there we go, 3. 3, and what was the pair? 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. And there's our 5. Oh, what's going to go with 5? And there it is. So when you look, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you think will be here? It's the 6. So doing them in this order is important because now you can see 4 plus 6, 6 plus 4. What comes next? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. And what was the pair for 7? 7, 3, 3, 7. There we go. What comes after 7? And it's 8. And what goes with 8? Well, we can check here. It is a 2, and it still works here. 8 and 2, 2 and 8. 8, and then comes 9, and there's the 1. And see how it's just the opposite? 1 and 9, 9 and 1. And finally, 10 and 0. We did all of our number pairs, and that is the biggest sandwich yet. So today, you can practice that some more if you like. There is a page in our workbook. Moms and dads will have to help with the reading. Color some of the faces orange and the rest blue. Fill in the number bond. So there's 6 altogether. You're going to put 6 here, and then you're going to write how many were orange and how many were blue. And you can finish the word sentence. And then again, Mom and Dad will help you with these 3. Okay? They can read it to you. It is a little confusing. You guys are doing great. See you tomorrow.